Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures, coming to you on Tuesday, December 11th, with some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get right down to it. What do we have going on here? Well, let's talk about yesterday's movement here. Basically a rather quiet session, pretty much a two-sided action. Following here into this morning here, a little bit of a positive tone. Again, kind of two-sided action. Appears we've got some market consolidation continuing to develop here. Basically, we've got prices right now around 85.67 here. We're up about 11 cents. Brent's a touch firmer, also up about 50 cents at around 107.82. Taking a look here at the complex nat gas, we're down actually right now a little bit in the nat gas, off about 1 to 2 cents. Again, been two-sided there. Nat gas prices though did see a pretty big slide off though yesterday. We saw them kind of gap lower and kind of basically trading in the 340 range. We're currently trading around 344.20, so we are seeing a little bit of weakness there. Extremely oversold market though there in my opinion. And then taking a look here at the RBOB, we've got that market actually down, up right now just a touch at around 260.60. It was a little bit weaker earlier. That's up right now about 80 ticks here. And the heat, that's quite a bit firmer. That's up a little over 2.5 cents right now, trading around 292.20. So, basically what we have going on, and just a slightly firmer tone to some of the energy complex and obviously in the crude oil. We had some positive data coming out of Europe. We have some positive data here in the U.S. Talks that maybe they're going to come together and address this fiscal cliff situation so that we don't actually go over it. So we are seeing outside markets, S&P 500, European stock indices. Those are trading a little bit higher, so that's adding a little bit of support there. Day to day, the news kind of changes there, because just last week we were getting weaker data there out of Europe, and of course the market was reacting weaker to that. So, we got to just kind of monitor that, and that kind of influences the day-to-day, market noise in that market. But, I think if you really take a look at that oil market here right now, January oil trading around this 85.50 area. We're basically, I think, treading and kind of building a solid base here right now, kind of just keeping its head above water as we're kind of fluctuating in the mid to upper 80s. OPEC, we do have a meeting coming up there, and it looks like they're kind of pulling back their production there just slightly, trying to keep it right around 30 million barrels a day there in output. So I think that's adding a little bit of a firmer tone there to the market. and I think, you look at the technicals in that market, really on the short-term basis right now, we are a bit on the oversold side of things, if you ask me. So, I think that we continue to carve out this area. I've got some different ideas there on how you can participate in this market right now, whether you're an aggressive trader, we've got some strategies there. You're looking for more calculated risk, more conservative trader, some ideas there as well. I encourage you to give me a call. Right now, I think, prices, as long as we hold at these levels here, short of anything, major here, outside news, I think prices, I would anticipate prices starting to move higher. So I've got some ideas there. Call me at the trade desk, shoot me an email. You want to talk about support, resistance levels, etc. Remember, we got API numbers coming out here later today. DOE numbers here tomorrow morning. If you want to get the expectations for that, give me a call, shoot me an email, and we can go over that. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.